if you had your own kamane nakusanga ng'olina ekinakusigula tezijja kuba ssente but oli omwana omwavu ate ng'ali lonely newe omutwala ku chips n'enkoko ajja kuwaako. That's it. Because now you've become the source of food.
Kakati chips n'enkoko ebisingira ddala okuba ebyebbeeyi ekinene ennyo biyinza kubanga mu mitwalo nga 2.3.
Ate nze nga sizikuwa tongoza nkoko na chips
emitwalo 2.3 ogitadde ludde eno n'omubiri gwo n'obulamu bwo obutadde wano. Kakati measurement eriwa. Auntie, we need to start thinking about them.
I'm not saying that that's the truth, but it's free. Like God gave it to you for free.
God give it to you for free. Nekitegeza kintu ogenda genda ngo kimansa manso otyo onotuka n'okufuna omuntu omutuufu nga n'okuwera
kushawe. Enjala eri real.
There's hunger out there. Go work.
True. Working is key.
Yes, yeah, it is key. Go work, earn your own money.
When you have your own money, omuntu takusigulira ku nkoko.
Yes.
Omuntu tagamba mbu come to this party, there are free drinks and food. And they use you in every hole on your body.
Drink yo bagende bagitekemu poison kubanga wagenzo no.
Everywhere is used. By the time you leave the party, you can't walk, you are ashamed, you've lost whatever it is. My friend, work hard, save up your money, be extremely strategic. It's better to be lonely with kamane than lonely when you're poor, because when you're lonely and poor, you become a disaster to yourself.